Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Is another time for us to do a little bit of physics. Now, in one of our last videos, we talk about motions. We talk about different kinds of motion. We talked about um, talk about I'm just trying to remember. Talk about Brownian motion, that's example of irregular motion. We talk about translational motion. We talk about oscillatory or vibratory motion, and we will also talk about rotational motion. But today we're going to talk about position. And to locate position, there's a framework we always use in physics to locate position. But I'm not really going to talk about position because I need to demonstrate it to you. But because of the video and how I'm creating this video, it's not really convenient for me. No, really, in this video, maybe some of you might be thinking, why are we not doing calculations, solving? No, it's not really convenient for me the way I'm making the video, because we need to use a whiteboard and then I will be teaching and showing you on the board. But for now, we just have to do it this way. We just have to talk about the theoretical part of the physics, but it involves solving, but we're not going to that. So today we'll talk about distance, displacement, and velocity and acceleration. Now, distance is a space between 2 points. So for example, someone travel from point A to point B 100 meter, so that is a distance. But displacement is specified. For example, a boy travel from point A to east 500 meter, then he turn around and travel back to west 300 meter. So the displacement there is 200 meter. But if we say distance covered, it is 800 meter. So you understand that part. So displacement is a distance in a specified direction. Distance in a specified direction is displacement, while distance is a distance. A distance is a space between 2 points A and B. Then distance is scalar quantity, and then displacement is a vector quantity because its magnitude and direction can be determined. And then we have velocity. Velocity is displacement over time. That's change in displacement over time. Or you can say velocity is speed in a specified direction, because speed is distance over time, and speed is a scalar quantity, and it has a unit of meter per second. You also have other unit to measure speed as kilometer per hour, centimeter per second, all of that. Then we have acceleration, that is change in velocity over time, and the SI unit for acceleration is meter per second square. And if you make v is the subject of formula in the formula of acceleration, it will give you the first equation of motion. So all these things I'm saying, I'm supposed to demonstrate it on the board, but that's not going to really be possible for me right now. That's why I cannot solve it for us to see physically, but we have to just go through this video. I know what I'm doing. I'm trying just to boost the morale of secondary school students, for them to study their physics and read their physics and do the mathematical aspect of physics. So that's just for today. Maybe as we go on in these our lessons, I will start demonstrating on the board for us to see. Thank you very much. Do have a lovely day.